What is up, everybody? Dan the Fireman here, and I got some exciting news for YouTube members. YouTube is allowing me to give you, the YouTube member, more and more perks. They're actually coming out with some really cool features. One of them specifically is YouTube member videos only. So only YouTube members can see these videos. It's not unlisted, so you can't share it. You have to literally be a YouTube member to see it. And what I was thinking is, like, how can I give back to those that are already supporting me and then possibly future? So how can I give back? And I was thinking, well, members only live streams, which is coming out actually. It's not out on my channel yet, but it's coming out. Should I do members only chat during regular live streams? That doesn't sound right. What about I give you guys tips just from the phone? I give you a nice little pick-me-up, a nice little, like a mental health checkup, or even just like, you know, this just popped in my head. Instead of getting a voice recorder and saying, hey, Dan, talk about this in the next video, I can just pull out the phone, create a video, unedited, pure rawness, and be like, hey, this is what I just thought of. This is a great tip. YouTube members, check it out. See if you like it. See if it works for you. All those things. So I was thinking I could do that. So behind the scenes, super raw stuff. But I want you guys to understand, YouTube memberships, it does support the channel big time. YouTube is crazy. I could possibly get $1 or $2 from 1,000 views. But each YouTube member, which is at the bottom tier, is $1.99. You just pretty much bought me 2,000 views. That's insane. Let's skip the advertisers. Screw them. Let's go straight. You know, I'm here delivering you content. YouTube is going to take a cut, but whatever. But this truly helps out the channel. Same thing with Patreon. The lowest tier there is $2 also. And there's a bunch of different perks. You know, YouTube membership, Patreon, all that stuff. Nothing is like hidden. Nothing is hidden. Nothing's hidden behind a paywall. I give extra. There's just extra involved with these tiers. So with the YouTube membership specifically, when I do my live streams, if you ever wonder why there's somebody that's green and they have like a mustache or a beard and they have these special emojis, well, that's because they're YouTube members, okay? You can sign up and you can cancel and you still get that full month of YouTube membership. It's really cool. It's really cool. I just want to let you guys know about that. Let me know what kind of perks and what kind of things you would like to see as a YouTube member. Remember, guys, I'm making content for you. And then on top of that, the YouTube members, guys, you guys are paying me to make content. So I want to make content specifically for you too. So let me know. Please, please, please let me know. That way I can give you what you want. Answer your questions. All those things. All right. So with that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe. And this was just a quick update, letting you know that there's some really cool things coming up. All right, I'll see you around.